ugeleza phakathi kwakho, ukukhathala kuyanyamalala kulo phefumlo othambile. Inhliziyo ishaya kancane, umzimba uyakhululeka, yonke imicabango iyahamba, uhlala kulo phefumlo. Njengomoya opholile ungena ujule ngaphakathi, phefumlo, phefumlo. Ukuthula kuyakumboza, akukho kuphazamisayo. Njengamakakasi olwandle, ukuphefumula kuyabuya, kuthatha konke okunzima, kushiye ukuthula kuphela. Umoya ungumngani wakho, uyakuthwala ngobumnene, ungesabi, ungakhathazeki, uphumule kulo phefumlo. Zithule manje, amaphupha aqala kancane. Lo phefumlo, lo phefumlo, uyageleza, uyathula. Izinganyezi zikubheka phezulu, ubusuku buyakukhona, umoya wakho uyakhanya. Ngokuthula okungapheli, zithobe ngaphakathi kwakho, zizwe uthando lomoya. Akukho kumele ukwenze, vele uphefumule, uthule. Phefumula ujule kakhulu, inhliziyo ishaya kancane. Phefumlo, ulele kuthule nokuphelele, amaphupha yakubiza. Lo lalela umoya uthule, ugeleza phakathi kwakho. Ukukhathala uyanyamalala kulo phefumulo uthombile. Inhliziyo ishaya kancane, umzimba uyakhululeka, yonke imicabango iyahamba, uhlala kulo phefumulo. Lo phefumulo yenza umoya opholile ungena ujule ngaphakathi. Lo phefumulo ukuthula ngamboza, akukho okuphazamisayo. Lo phefumulo njengamakakasi olwandle, ukuphefumula kuyabuya kuthatha konke obunzima, kushiya ukuthula kuphela. Umoya umngani wakho uyakuthwala ngobumnene, ungesabi ungakhathazeki, uphumule kulo phefumulo. Ugeleza kancane ngaphakathi, sizulula njengomoya. Lo phefumulo zonke izinto zithule manje, amaphupho akhala kancane. Lo phefumulo uyageleza, uyathula, izinkanyezi zikubheka phezulu, ubusuku uyabona, umoya wakho uyakhanya, kokuthula okungapheli, zithobe ngaphakathi kwakho, sizwe uthando lomoya. Akukho kumele ukwenze, vele uphefumule uthule. Lo phefumulo uthule kakhulu, inhliziyo ishaya kancane. Lo phefumulo ulele uthule ngokuphelele, amaphupho ayaphila. LOPHEFUMLO, LOPHEFUMLO. Breathe in deeply, release the air. Listen to the quiet breath flowing gently through your soul. All your tiredness fades away in this soft and healing flow. Your heartbeat slows and softens now. Your body starts to rest. Every thought just drifts away in the breath that feels like home. LOPHEFUMLO, like a cool and gentle breeze moving softly deep inside. LOPHEFUMLO, LOPHEFUMLO. Peace surrounds you everywhere, nothing here to trouble you. Waves upon the sea, breathing in and breathing out, taking all the weight away, leaving only calm behind. Your breath becomes your quiet guide, carrying you so gently. Do not fear, just let it be. Rest within the breath you feel. Slowly deep within, feel yourself so light and free. LOPHEFUMLO, LOPHEFUMLO. Everything is still and calm. Dreams are forming quietly. Flowing soft and slow. Stars are watching from above. Night surrounds you with its songs. Your breath is glowing soft and warm, wrapped in endless quiet calm. Let yourself just drift inside. Feel the gentle love of breath. There is nothing you must do, just breathe and be and rest. Oh, LOPHEFUMLO, breathe in deeply, soft and slow. Heartbeat steady, calm and low. LOPHEFUMLO, LOPHEFUMLO. You are resting peacefully, dreaming. You are calm, you are resting. LOPHEFUMLO. LOPHEFUMLO. Breathing deeply, deeply, release the air. Listen to the quiet breath flowing gently through your soul. All your tiredness fades away in this soft and healing flow. Your heartbeat slows and softens now. Your body starts to rest. Every thought just drifts away in the breath that feels like home. LOPHEFUMLO. Like a cool and gentle breeze moving softly deep inside. LOPHEFUMLO. LOPHEFUMLO. Peace surrounds you everywhere. Nothing here to trouble you. LOPHEFUMLO. Like the waves upon the sea, breathing in and breathing out, taking all the weight away, leaving only calm behind. Your breath becomes your quiet guide, carrying you so gently. Do not fear, just let it be. Rest within the breath you feel. LOPHEFUMLO. Flowing slowly deep within. Feel yourself so light and free. LOPHEFUMLO. LOPHEFUMLO. Everything is still and calm. Dreams are forming quietly. LOPHEFUMLO. LOPHEFUMLO. Flowing soft and slow. Stars are watching from above. Night surrounds you with its arms. Your breath is glowing soft and warm, wrapped in endless quiet calm. Let yourself just drift inside. Feel the gentle love of breath. There is nothing you must do. Just breathe and